Hey guys, welcome back. In this particular video, we will be covering about uploading some of the records from a CSV file, and we will be putting those records in SalesForce. So basically, here we are talking about contacts. So we will be having a CSV file in this particular format, having the first name, last name, title, email, and phone number. And we will be uploading these particular contacts in our SalesForce portal. So how to do that? Let me first show you the SalesForce portal. Give me a moment. Let me log into the SalesForce portal. So this is the SalesForce portal, and I'm going towards the contact. Hit enter. Going over here, recently viewed, and my contacts. Here you can see there are 20 contacts as of now which are available. So I will be putting some extra contacts basically from that CSV file. These particular details, around 8 new members I will be adding. Okay, so this is the code for the same. It starts with a read file activity. Basically I am going to put that file in the SRC main resources, and it is file having a file pattern of star.csv, and after processing I will be moving it to the contacts underscore process.csv location. Okay, and after that it is being transformed into a Java object so that it can be understood by this create SalesForce activity. So over here I have I have drag and drop this create option from SalesForce onto the canvas, and from the connector configuration I have used the basic auth, that is the username password. So if you want to know more about like how we can configure the basic auth, you can refer my previous videos for the same. Under the type I have selected contact. Similar to that, we can have accounts and leads and many other pre-populated objects are already available on the SalesForce site. In the records I have mentioned as payload, and whatever be the output of this create activity I am going to convert into the JSON, and after that I am going to log it. So this is a fairly simple easy flow with the capability to upload some of the records from the CSV, and we should be able to see some new records within our SalesForce site. So without any further ado, let's copy paste this CSV file from our this particular location to SRC main resources. So it has started putting all the details, and this is pretty much of it. Let's I will explain this duplicate detected as well, why it is coming like that, but for now let's clean it up and delete this CSV file from here. Okay, because I have already selected this auto delete, so that's why this file is being deleted. Okay, so because I have selected this auto delete, that's why it is being deleted already. But to cross check whether this operation was successful or not, let's quickly jump to the SalesForce site. As of now 20. Let's refresh this guy. So 28. Some new users are being added, like this one, all the details are being uploaded. There are many other fields as well I should have used, like account name I should have put down, but the main utility or main functionality of this particular use case was to show like how we can use the records which are present in our CSV file and we can move it to Salesforce. So this was about the creation, but let's see how we can delete some of these records. So what I'm going to do, this is one of the flow in which I have configured query and delete. So there is a reason behind using this query, because this delete, it expect IDs, a specific ID to be deleted. So how to specify this ID? This ID is being taken from this transform message, and this ID is being taken from the output of this query. Basically, I'm going to select the ID from the contact where name equal to name, that is I am passing from the attributes.query params. Okay, so within the query params I am going to pass the name, and from this name ID will be picked up and it will be passed onto this delete, which will be the response of this delete will be converted into a JSON, and we are going to log it finally. So enough chit chat, let's see the actual postman running or not. Okay, so this is again I'm going back to Salesforce site, and this time I'm going to delete Pratik's detail from the Salesforce. So in order to do that, this is the listener which is being configured as delete option with delete, and within the advanced I have set it to delete. Okay, I will open up this postman and I will change this to delete, and let's say how it responds back. So I got some response like 200. Okay, and I'm going to refresh the same from over here. This time it should be 27 items. Let's refresh this. So 27 items, and Pratik's record is now deleted. So with this particular flow, I was trying to showcase how we can delete a particular ID or a particular record from any of the object which is already available. I hope you like this video and give a thumbs up if it helps you to understand the integration with Salesforce in a better way. Thank you.